If you hear a weird tapping sound in your Samsung phone when you keep it inside the pocket, then let us see what might be the reason and how to fix this issue. Now this might happen if there is a debit card or a credit card inside your pocket which has NFC payment mode. With NFC payment mode, what happens is you can pay by just touching your card to the card machine. You don't need to swipe it. So there are two ways to fix the issue. Either you will remove the debit or credit card from your pocket, or else you will go to settings here, you will go to connections, and then you have to disable this option NFC and payment. So once you disable it, you will not hear any weird tapping sound. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.